Please consider subscribing to this YouTube channel. Now let's get started. We're gonna be cracking this particular app called Correct Score Tips. So let me open it for you guys to see. It doesn't have a free version, it's only VIP. Okay, so it's opening and you can see it over here. They hide this thing, the VIP. So note, I don't play bets. Okay, I'm not a game player. So you can see they hide their score. So there is it, this current, and then you can see subscribe now to get their this thing. Okay, they ask you to pay through mobile money or through Google Pay. So this is the amount weekly and monthly, so you calculate it by yourself. So these apps might not give you correct, so I don't play bets, but I'm just using this opportunity to crack betting apps that are not real. Almost betting apps are fake, so stop betting. If I were you, stop betting and stop wasting your money. So we're gonna be using MT Manager to crack. So download MT Manager on your Chrome. Let's get started. So first of all, go over to this three line over there at the top left. Tap on the three line and then it will open. After that, you need to click on here that says extract APK, and then once you tap extract APK, it's gonna open and then it's gonna load and bring out the apps you have inside your phone. So it's loading. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video as well, share with friends. So now here's the correct score tips. So tap on the correct score tips and then it's gonna open like this, and then you need to click on extract APK, and then once you click on extract APK, it's gonna open and then it show you something like this, and then click on locate. So after you click on locate, it's gonna show you something like this. So you're gonna see the green screen. So tap on correct score tips 1 2 3 APK. So tap on it, and then once you tap on it, it's gonna bring this thing to you. So click on view as you can see on the screen. So once you tap on view, it's gonna open and then open like this. So follow the screen process. Now you need to tap on this particular section that says classic decks. So once you tap on classic decks, then it's gonna open like this for you. Then click on decks editor plus. Okay, so tap on it, and then once you tap on it, select all. Click on that decks editor plus. Also click on select all. Once you click on select all, then you click on select OK. So let's do that. Select all and then click on OK. So once it's load, go over to the place that says search and then click on search. So tap on the search button please, and then click on start a new search. Tap on it, and then the code is premium with the thing you have seen there. That is the code. Input it as in your own if you have app that looks like that. So also leave it in the thick blue place that says search subdirectories. So leave it here and click on OK. So that's good and then good. So tap on OK, and then it's looking for the premium section for us, and then here it is. It has searched it for us. Click on the last option that says correct is previews method public get premium. So tap on it, and then once you tap on it, here we are closer to our end. So here it is, the major things you need to see. This is the premium registers and the premium crest string, and lastly here is our main point now to adjust and impute as well. You're gonna cancel and impute. So cancel the 0 and then add 1 on it. So once you are done, hit up there, you can see it, the arrow I'm pointing up there, then tap on that section and click on it, will automatically save, and then click on the three dots line you are seeing on your right corner, and then after you've clicked on it, click on close and then leave. After you click on close, it automatically leave you from there, and then you go over now to this first of all, just three dot line is the place you're gonna click, but now we are going to click on the hammer. We are seeing there, click on the hammer first of all, and after you click on the hammer, it will automatically save all the things we've been doing so far. Now go over to the three dot line and then click on it and then click on exist. So this is the first one. You need to click the hammer before going to the three dot line. So click on exist and then make sure you are ticking the blue line you are seeing there, the blue auto sign, and then you tick okay. So now okay, so automatically it is going to an end. So now we are done with the cracking. Please, this video is for educational purposes only. So now here it is. Click on it and then click on install. So once you click on install, it's gonna ask you this, so just click on okay. So click on okay and then click on okay again and then click on install to your phone so that it's gonna install. Okay, just click on install. So we are getting to an end. Now click on just once and install. So install again. So please subscribe. Now my phone is asking me this, so I'm gonna click on install without scanning. So please, if you're getting value from this video, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a video, YouTube will notify you. Now click on open. So you now click on open. You will see our work has been successfully been done. Everything is now open. So you cannot see it over here that everything is now open. So you can see it over here. Here it is. The score is now open, and then the second one is now open. This is what you would have been paying the money for you to get it. So now you've gotten it for free. So why not hit the red subscribe button, turn on the notification bell for more amazing videos like this, and don't forget to share my video to your friends. And this is gonna be the end of this video. Till I see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Peace out.